Asking my friends what's their favorite subject in nursing. So let's come. Tiyasha, what's your favorite subject in nursing?
Pediatric nursing.
Tia, what's your favorite subject in nursing?
Psychiatric nursing.
Isha, what's your favorite subject in nursing?
Psychiatry or medicine?
Shomdipa, what's your favorite subject in nursing?
Obstetrics and psychiatry.
Madhumita, what's your favorite subject in nursing?
Microbiology?
Sampa,
Yes.
what's your favorite subject in nursing?
Medicine or pharma?
Priya, what's your favorite subject in nursing?
Pediatric psychiatry.
Rita, what's your favorite subject in nursing?
Nothing.
Annesha, what's your favorite subject in nursing?
Maybe psychiatric.
Tha, what's your favorite subject in nursing?
Nursing education and pathology.
Shravanti, what's your favorite subject in nursing?
Psychiatric and pharmacology.
Moina, what's your favorite subject in nursing?
Nursing management and